Hey guys, we're going to talk about our morphemes that we've already learned so far. The first morpheme that we talked about was SES, and that means more than one. Some examples are umbrellas, boxes, butterflies. Here's an example of a word sum. Fly plus S is rewritten as FLIES. This means more than one fly. A sentence I could use is, I saw many flies swarming around the trash. ED is a morpheme meaning past tense. Folded, sailed, crashed. This person sailed yesterday. Don't forget our double drop change it rule. We double with the 1-1-1 rule. One syllable, one short vowel, one consonant at the end. Drop if the base ends in a silent E. Drop the E and add ED. We change it if the base ends in a consonant and a Y. Change the Y to I and add ED. Here's a word sum for ED. Hop plus ED equals hopped. I had to double the P because it was a 1-1-1 rule. The meaning, hop in the past. A sentence, he hopped around the room yesterday. The next morpheme we talked about was ING, which means happening now. Gathering, buckling, telling. The girl is telling a story to the other girls. We also have the double drop rule, but we also have a don't change it rule. We double if it's a 1-1-1 rule, just like ED. We drop if the base ends in a silent E, just like ED. We don't change the Y to an I. We leave it and add ING. Here's an example. Take plus ING is rewritten as TAKING. This was a drop it rule. I dropped the E and added ING. This means take something now. I am taking this pencil with me to class. Now we have the prefix, which goes at the beginning of a word, un, meaning not. Some examples are unhappy and unlucky. Here is a word sum for un. Unfair is rewritten as unfair. UNFAIR. The meaning is not fair. A sentence, it is unfair that my brother can go to the movies and I cannot. Your turn to practice your morphemes.